how to use or how to redeem your Westjet gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or how you can redeem your Westjet gift card. Well, if you want to use or redeem your Westjet gift card, you can simply sign into your account on the web or on the application. You want to open up Westjet, sign into your account. Now what you want to do is you want to search for and select your flights that you wish to make. So simply tap on book a flight, go ahead and search for the flight you wish to make and go ahead to the payment. Now to the payment step, you'll be given the option to add your gift card as a form of payment on the payment page. So basically you want to search for your flight, go ahead and continue the payment, and on the payment page you'll get the option to add your gift cards as a form of payment. You want to enter your gift card details there, and if you have enough balance, you are good to go. So this is the way that you can use Westjet gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.